Welcome to an adventure with Art Blast. We'll be back in a moment.
I'm Dylan.
I'm fun. I'm Delayla. And welcome to D's Adventures. This is the best show in the multiverse.
We're going to be drawing one picture. What's the picture, Delayla?
A sea turtle. Thanks for asking.
Let's blast off.
Grab anything to draw with. First, put dots in. I'll put dots. First, we're gonna draw a oval in the dash diagonal in the middle of our paper.
Wait, Delayla. I'm gonna leave a point at the end, or just a hump?
A hump.
Okay. Just want to know. Is it right or left?
Put dots. I'll give some dots.
Like this?
Yes. You can see mine on the screen.
Okay. Is it time to carry on?
No, not yet. And now, next we're gonna draw the head.
I'm gonna draw.
Just turn up, turn around. Kind of like a flat box. And for the top, turn down. Make a straight line and go down. And draw a line, kind of curve. And then just slightly make another line that's curved. And then connect it back in. It should look like this. Don't do this. Next we're gonna draw the nostril. We're gonna draw it on one side. That. And then we'll draw the eye.
Okay, Delayla. Any fun facts?
I'll show you how to curve the eye first. And then we'll draw it. Make it curve. And the opposite way. little bit. And you can go up and down, and up and down, and up and down. Yeah. Kind of like little cuts in the fin. Just for more detail.
So like this?
If you want it.
Okay.
And then good for the next fin, you'll go down just a little bit from the other fin and curve in. If we're going too fast, you can always pause the video. Once we get to the bottom, we'll curve to draw the tail and curve again.
Is it kind of like this?
Yeah, but sharper.
Okay.
Sea turtle shells are made out of keratin, same as what fingernails are made of. They're made of scraps. This.
How do you draw the back fins?
Like this. Almost like the front fins.
Sea turtles grow up to 6 and 9 feet in length and 3 to 5 feet in width.
You can draw spots on the fins to decorate it. For the head, you can draw one little line and a big line on the neck part. And then draw spots around it. Well, that's what if your design was. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. Turtles can hold their breath for more than 10 hours.
Sea turtles don't usually interact with each other.
You can draw scales on the outside of your turtle shell, or just leave it regular.
Delayla, can we make patterns on the shell pieces?
Not yet,
Oh, okay.
but thanks for asking anyways. Now we can. I make mine with hexagons. Octagons. But you can I might want to tell another fact. Sea turtles eat meat and plants. Yeah, how do that? Because they have a very big digestive system, DeVaughn.
What do you do when we're done?
We can color. And that equals now. It's time to color.
Can you make a pattern on your scales?
If you want to, yes.
Yes?
Do you want to do another fact?
Sure. Sea turtles are vertebrates. They have a backbone.
happy markers.
Bye, guys.
One more thing. Okay. There we go. Wait. Nice. Now it's completely finished. I just want to write my name at the bottom of the right corner. Where's my name?
This is the finished result, guys.
Where's marker?
Do you like it?
Yep. Like this? Hey. Like this?
This is mine.
Mine too.
This is mine.
We all did a great job. Even though they're all not the same, they are just
One of our own.
Do this. Okay. Do this.
They are all special in a different way.
See these adventures?
Signing off.
From Art Blast.
Blast off!